morning, everyone. I am Shekris Espinosa Sarong, 23 years old, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Now I am going to do my demonstration. Good morning, everyone. By the way, I am your new teacher, Teacher Shai. So this morning, let's play a game. So the name of our game is Divide as You Can. So you need to draw a cake, and then after you draw a cake, you need to divide your cake as many as you can. So remember, class, you only have 1 minute to do it. So let's start. Sorry, class, your time is over. So let us now check your output. Okay, so atong palakpakan ng tanan kay we do our best to share and to draw our cakes. Okay. Now, do you have any idea or knowledge about our discussion this morning? Okay, very good. So, we were going to discuss fraction. So, first, what is fraction? So, kailan na ba mo ni fraction? Or wala pa? Okay, so are you excited to know fraction and its type? Okay, very good. So thank you for your interest. So fasten your seatbelt and let us fly to the world of mathematics. What is fraction? So a fraction is a way of representing division of a whole into parts. So, gikan sa buo hangtod sa tigi-tigi or bahin-bahin. So, when an object is divided into a number of equal parts, then each part is called fraction. So, di ba mo nung totong gibuhat kagaina sa itong activity from a one whole cake, so ato siyang gikat into pieces, or di ba pila ka slice yung nabuhat, di ba, na ay 4, na ay 5, na ay 10. So muna ang fraction, it is a way of representing a whole into parts. So, fraction has a numerator and then denominator. So when we say numerator, so numerator is a number of parts chosen. So ang numerator mo na siya ang nasa ibabaw. So the denominator is naa sa ubos or below. So up and down. The denominator is the total number of parts. So as you can see, for example, di ba, 1, 8. So si 1 mo ni siya ang numerator. And then the denominator mao si 8, di ba? So ang fraction di ay class is divided by a fraction bar. So as you can see, the line between 1 and 8 is a fraction bar. So let's proceed. Now let's proceed to the types of fraction. So the first type is proper fraction. So when we say proper fraction, it's have a numerator part smaller than denominator part. So for example, 1/2. Diba? When we say proper fraction, the numerator is always smaller than denominator. Diba? For the example, 1/2. So 1 is smaller than 2. Then the second example is 3/4. 3/4. So 3 is smaller than 4. Then the next example is 2/5. So 2 is smaller than 5. So when we say proper fraction, always remember the numerator is always smaller than denominator. Okay, next, the second types of fraction is improper fraction. When we say improper fraction, it's have the numerator part greater or equal to the denominator part. So, for example, 2/2. So, when we say, diba, ang improper fraction is equal to or greater than, ang numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. So, diba, 2/2. So, 2 is equal to, diba, the numerator is equal to the denominator. So the second example is 4 third. So 4 is greater than 3. So makaingon na ta nga improper siya. Kaya naman, mas dako man ang numerator than denominator. The third example is 5 halves. So 5 is greater than 2. So mo na ang example sa improper fraction. The third types of fraction is mixed fraction. So in mixed fraction, it has a whole number plus a fraction. So for example, 2 and 1 half. 2 and 1 half. So it has a whole number, the number 2, and it has a fraction, 1 half. So mo na ang mixed fraction. Another example, 3 and 2 fourth. So unsa man ang whole number, diba? Ang 3. Then the fraction is the 2 fourth. So the third example is 5 and 3 fourth. 5 and 3 fourth. The whole number is 5 and the fraction is 3 and 4. Diba? 3 fourth. Okay. Nasabtan ba, class? Okay. Now, let's proceed to our activity. Our activity is you need to connect the dot of the correct fraction of the given drawing. So, I will give you 5 minutes to answer. So, thank you for listening and have a great day.